River, Florida. It's somewhere around 48 degrees. It's nice this morning. We're gonna go to Margarita Breeze, and then we're gonna do the Ozello Trail and check out Crystal River Harley Davidson. What a beautiful morning. Let's do it. Got a small group today. Weather's just right. You can wear a jacket, you don't need chaps.
Again, what a nice day. I tell you what, we started out here in Gainesville, did all these roads. I'll put a link to this map. Came straight on down here, went over to Margarita Breeze, which used to be the ale house. Then we rode up to the Ozello Trail to the end of it. Then we went to the Harley shop, and this was our intended route home, but we ended up just beelining on this road to go home. And again, what a nice day. This was our route.
Well, here we're in Crystal River. It's getting warmer. Got his headgear. We're going to be eating pretty soon.
Now, this was our first gas stop. We're in Crystal River. We're only about 5 minutes from Margarita Breeze.
Yeah, it's been a while. You know when we did? Last year when we were in Bushnell.
Well, here's their website. I'd check it out before I go. I tell you what, neat little marina here. It's all one package. And right now, believe it or not, all this video I'm doing is really with my sunglasses. They got a little camera in there. I'm learning how to work it, but as you can see, this is a neat place. They got a motel, they got a marina, they got a restaurant, and they got a bar. There's the restaurant right there. And as you go on out, that blue building there is a bar. I didn't see it open this day when we were there, but I've seen it open many other times.
You know, it's
They come down here 2 or 3 years for an annual ride.
Oh, really?
The last time I come with them, man, we had like 50 bikes or something.
Wow.
Are we hungry today?
I'm ready to eat.
Are you? How about you, Jody?
Yes.
What are you gonna have?
Big Bay Burger.
We got Jim with us today.
Yeah, long lost Jim.
Long lost stranger.
What you eating, Jim?
I'm gonna eat Cajun chicken sandwich.
That's good.
Man, it turned out to be a nice day too.
Now, right here, I'm using my Samsung phone. I tell you what, all these phones take good video. There's the bar I was talking about. I've seen it open many times. There's the marina. And right now I'm in the part of the restaurant, the outside seating part. They got inside seating too, and like it said, ale house, but that was the old name. Then it was back to the bikes, and we're getting ready to do the Ozello Trail.
Is the Ozello Trail. It's one of our little curvy roads in Florida. Still fun to ride, and we got some nice weather, and we just had our fillies.
Now, coming up is another restaurant we've been to a few times, Peck's Old Pork Cove. It's right there on the right, we're passing it, and this is another neat little restaurant to check out, especially if you're doing a lot of visiting and staying around here, you want to check it out. Now, I always make this clip long. I love this little causeway. We're getting very close to the end of the Ozello Trail, and where we're going to go at is where they launch boats and everything. I noticed they do have a porta-john there if you have the urge. Let me get this right. Caution. Short ramp, drop off at end. Okay. Well, how long's the short ramp? Oh, where that pole is? Okay. Well, you can see our bikes in the background there. And like I said, with the Ozello Trail, you're going to see a lot of motorcycles out here usually. Not always at the end of the trail like this, but we always like coming here, and sometimes we take a snack and a drink, and they got picnic tables, and when it's the cooler weather, we'll sit out there and just watch people on the boats, and watch people coming up and meet new friends on the motorcycles. Well, we probably spent, I don't know, 20 minutes here watching everything going on, people putting their boats in the water. Now it is time for us to go back and go towards Crystal Harley-Davidson. And again, enjoying the Ozello Trail going back. Well, this is going to be our final stop today. We're at Crystal Harley-Davidson, Crystal River, Florida. Nice Harley shop. They also have an outside part. You could get beer for a donation, and it's always nice seeing Old Glory fly. And you can see maybe right there in the background is where you can sit down. They have a stage there too, so I guess they got a band playing now and then. But we're all checking the store out, and then they got all these rocking chairs, and look at us, we're kicking that.
This chorus is for you.
Well, then everybody said their goodbyes. It's time to head it on home. We're not going to make any more stops. Everybody's going directly home, but we're staying together as a group. Another nice day of riding. We had a blast. Well, I hope you enjoyed our video, and like I said, I'll put a link to the map that we made so you can see street view of everywhere we went.
Also, be sure to check out our YouTube page We also have a Facebook page, and we also have a website trying to keep these all together. This, once again, was a Michael and Marcia's Motorcycle Trips video. Ain't that right, Sprocket Baby, huh?